megalayapost.news.
Nen kami ada kapor kendai baje, ia kipulit kadang pok polis traffic branch, kilami surok bantalasi kinonya kali belabuat, kibomdon ikut Islam biang, bat ia kitu kibapun kaya kikonon anya kali. Hakabai de banlap ia kinonya kali belabuat, kulit kila perungkam, lengba kibret analyzer, ne ban pakput ia kinonya kali, nang bantip la kinonya kali kila buat kiat, ne em hakapor berkinyak kali. Hakate gajing telasi ia kinonya kali belabuat, kulit kadang pok traffic, kila batru napang, ia kali Mahindra pickup, bakit seat, namar bakilakit palat put, banalor kata, bagajingkit jongki, kisi kala long palat ika jing jorong kali bat ka balong bean bakiniat haus rokba bat ka balak ro bermara ika jing mensau ik wipat hakate ka jing telasi ki pulit lalap subun kinong nya kali bala buat kiat bat ro iki Mahindra pickup bakit sit palat put hakba ki pulit kila dan kuna yaki bat habak hen kulum ya kapisa ka balayo bandan kuna ikiti bala pungken ik kendon an ki pulit kila yo ban lum hadu arlak nai pundai hajar tengka.
Good evening, everybody. I am in charge traffic Nongpo, Riboi district. Today we are here for conducting drunk and driving. Most of the time we are seeing that there are lots of accidents because of this drunk and driving. Not only drunk and driving, we are checking these helmets, then we are checking the seat belts, then bike riders, then these pillion riders. Daily we are checking, and we have given so much awareness on the road, but still so many people they don't feel good to wear helmet. So we are conducting these checkings. Now today evening also we have started this drunk and driving, because we have seen that in Nongpo most of the drivers in this highway they are drinking and driving. So we are checking this drunk and driving for the safety of the citizen. Not only for them, for everybody. Under section 185 of this MB Act, 10,000, there will be penalty for drunk and driving.
Intersingi penlong ka checking ya kini ki bakit put ki kamtam kini ki bakit ya ki seat ki batam sadin ba sakmat kata kabuk gajing ma ya ki we ki kali ki babut sadin kamtam kapor men min but ni check ro ya ki driver ki ba di buat hambun sin nala mit ki driver ki ba di buat itu te kabuk jing ma ya ki we ki kali ki ba ya hakini ki highway te kat to kat ne ki driver ki don ki ba ngilap ba ki ba dikiat but mrei tang kini ki ba bakit seat handrai ki tu ki turis baro hingi checking da kasi kat ba ngilap bun sin kini ki ki ba yap accident ki babun ha kini ki national highway na kata kada man like kini ki jingi accident tingi kambun sin ga yalam chaka ba ya accident kini kamtam ki driver hi ki ba nya thurmur ni na ka Riboi police hi ni check haman na ki jaka kamtam ni traffic police long ba khangi ki de ban check te kumta ki ka kam chu kat bangila hi ni check ki kali kamtam umrei tang ki to ki kali bakit passenger de kamtam ki kini ki scooty ki banya scooty ki bike tar gaju hi bunsin ai awareness program maki de ban phong ki helmet ban tap ki helmet banya ki bike ni ki scooty umrei tang ki banya handrai ki basong hadin ro kumju hi ki ai kini ki helmet ngila sam da ki katno south spot light spot south spot tali ngila sam ki ba kin phong ban malong ka safety ki handrai bunsin ki brio hakapor bagi ai ki awareness program bakin phong handrai bunsin ki bom phong na kata kada hateng hi ngi check gum tu khnang ban lai na kono ka jingya accident ka ba ki ya brio kumta hi ni traffic police kat bangila i simkia hi kata ha ka bayalam ni in charge jungi bat ka jingi trelang bat ki baro ki staff ki jungi ki truk bayang kelumar ha kini ki national highway kabadon kini ki babu di ulan beli te bunsin ki bayang hang tu ki yot sya po kali te ya ki tu ki driver ni sai ai jingsning ya ki ba sai hi ka ya ki ba umre ban yeng ha po jong ulan beli Ada kikwa ban yang slam nene kikwa ban chat emo markiwa na galanti ke bajengai te ngiong yaki ba kin yeng ha jaka ba kham he kham tam kini service land nang ba ban lai na kono jing musa te bon sin man ka sngi hi ngilap men sngi bat mi mit ke ba ki yeng kom ta te ni sai be yaki nang ta teng teng pada ngi ai ka jing awareness ngi phain ro iki ba kim de ban yang klumar
Meghalaya Post.news